All right. So, you guys ready for it? Sell versus process FOIDA. All right. Dreaming Out Loud Incorporated makes model airplanes. Currently, their standard model airplane sells for $192 with the following per unit variable costs. Okay. So again, we go through this and say, well, I guess that matters. That matters. Direct materials, direct labor, variable manufacturing overhead. Yep, they all kind of sort of matter. Okay. But here's the thing, though. It goes on to say they have determined that their total fixed manufacturing overhead is $50,000. Okay. Let's give that a whole big giant. Who gives a shit, right? They have recently decided to add new bling to their standard model airplane and raise the selling price to $240. However, said bling addition would increase the direct material cost by $20 and increase direct labor cost by $16. The net monetary advantage, or for that matter, disadvantage per unit for the bling addition to the standard model airplane is what? Well, let's see. I want to make sure you guys can read this question and recognize immediately. It is a what? Sell versus process further. Sell versus process further. Sell versus process further. Do we just sell them right now and say, fuck it, we don't need to put bling on the airplanes? Or do we say, hells no, we want to have some fucking mad, awesome blinged airplanes? Well, it turns out that I want to make sure you guys are cool with the natural idea that is, if we process it further, will we get more money? And if you have a sell versus process further, what do you always do? Good. You have two columns. Incremental revenue, incremental cost. It seems like there's so much stuff going on here, but there isn't. It's so simple. Look, what is the additional revenue that comes through the door by putting on the bling? Well, the price was $192, and now it's going to go up to $240. So the incremental revenue will be the difference, right? $240 minus $192, right? $240 minus $192. The incremental revenue will be $48. Do we all see that? Okay, great. What is the incremental cost then? Well, it says that if we decide to do this, it will increase the direct materials cost by 20, and it will increase the direct labor cost by 16. So the additional cost will be, again, the $20 plus the $16, which is $36. Good idea, bad idea? Yeah, good idea. Incremental revenue exceeds incremental cost. By how much? In other words, what's the difference? 48 minus 36 is $12. Okay? Again, some of these are simple. I just want to give a good amount of variety. Okay? Incremental revenue, incremental cost for a sell versus process further. And again, you can think about the $50,000 as the joint costs up till then. It doesn't matter. It's only at this point that we really care about the relevant costs. Okay? Good stuff. You're smart people. See you in a little bit.